With he, she, or it, we use doesn't.
She doesn't like coffee.
Don't say, I have seen him yesterday. Use the past simple. We say, I saw him yesterday.
I saw him yesterday.
He speaks English very well. The reason is third person singular needs an S on the verb.
I am agree with you.
I agree with you. Agree is a verb, so you don't need the verb to be.
I agree with you.
Don't say, I am good in tennis. Say, I am good at tennis. The reason, we use good at for skills and abilities. Don't say, it depends of the weather. Say, it depends on the weather. The reason, depend is almost always followed by on. Don't say, I am married with a doctor.
Say, I am married to a doctor.
Yeah.
The reason, you get married to someone, not with them.
Don't say, she gave me some advices. Say, she gave me some advice. The reason, advice is uncountable. It never has an S.
Don't say, I have many informations. Say, I have a lot of information. The reason, information is uncountable.
Don't say, my hairs are long.
My hairs are long.
Say, my hair is long.
My hair is long.
Is long. The reason, hair on your head is treated. Don't say, the news are bad today. Say, the news is bad today.
The reason, even though news ends in S, it is singular.
Don't say, I did a mistake. Say, I made a mistake. The reason, we make mistakes, plans, and decisions. We do homework and chores.
Don't say, I lost the bus. Say, I missed the bus. The reason, you lose an object like keys, you miss transportation.
Don't say, can you explain me the rule? Say, can you explain the rule to me?
Can you explain the rule to me? Don't, he can to swim. Say, he can swim. Don't say, I must to go. Say, I must go.